Hey, cozy people. Okay, hi. Oh, my phone is in my bra. Hello, we're back with another video. This is an unexpected video because sometimes I get things in the mail and I want to do videos on them for you guys. So I decided that I would film kind of a slightly different video because I never usually get my hands on products this early in the game. So this brand we're going to be talking about today is going to be launching at Sephora tomorrow, 9/18, and it is exclusively at Sephora. I've never heard of it before. I've never tried it before, and I'm excited to try it with you guys and share the collection with you for the first time here on my channel. Mwah. So here we are, you guys. Here's the whole box. This is Kaja, and I really, really hope I said it right. This is the collection that is going to be launching at Sephora. Really? That's how we want to play today. Okay, so I'm going to be swatching everything for you guys, and we're going to be playing around with everything that's in this box. So I already have my foundation on, brows done, and powder and all that fun stuff. And we're just going to be adding on top some of these guys. So yeah, let's just kind of do this. Let's swatch some stuff. Let's play around. Let's see what Kaja is all about. So I'm not positive if this is the complete collection or not. It says the complete collection drops September 18th on Sephora.com, and it's got everything listed right here. So there's 4 different types of products. I'm gonna zoom you guys in because I want to start with the eyeshadow because I did swatch them on Instagram stories for you and they were stunning. So these are the eyeshadows. They call them Beauty Bento. This one's called Rose Water, and then you have the other one which is called Orange Blossom. Just like look at how cute the little stackable shadows are. I don't know, I just find it so cute and it's so satisfying that it goes from like light to dark. So you open it up and you got 3 shadows in there. This is the Rose Water. You have the first shadow, so pretty, the second shadow, and the third shadow. So this is all 3 of those swatches. For Orange Blossom, here's the first shadow, the second shadow, and the third shadow. Here are those swatches right there. Here are both shadow palettes. So you guys, these are the shadows. I like them. I just don't know if I like them all together like this. For me, I'm more of like a very precise person, and I feel like this line is very like, you know, cute and like throw a shadow on and call it a day. I'm more of like, okay, the glitter needs to be placed in the center, and then we need a matte shadow and all of this. But overall, I really, really like them. They're really glittery and shimmery, which is beautiful because Glitter Queen over here loves me some shimmer. So these are the Mochi Glow. And if you guys don't know what Mochi is, this looks exactly like Mochi. It's kind of like a dough outer part, and then inside it's ice cream, and they taste so freaking good. And I really wish I had some Mochi right now, actually. And as I figured, these would be bouncy. So they're a little like, they're kind of like that jelly, squishy kind of feel. A highlighter. This is the deepest color called Stardust. I think these are definitely, like, this doesn't look great on my skin because I'm very pale, but I think this would look very beautiful on someone with deeper skin. I think that these guys, the Kaja Mochi Glows, I think they're more just a glow. If we look at like the photo, you can see that they have like this beautiful like dewy glow to them, and I feel like that's what these are. They're not like these shimmery highlighters like I feel like we're used to. This one is called Luna. I'm actually gonna use Luna. I'm using it on my hand. You can see that it just is giving me a glow. Like, it just looks like a glow. It doesn't look like a highlight. I like these. These are cute. Then the next shade is called Prism, and it looks pink. Ooh, it's pink and it's sparkly. And last but not least, we have the lightest color, which is called Toy Alien. Wow, I really like the names of these. And that last one is Toy Alien. So you can see all four how they're not super like sparkly or glowy, kind of like your normal highlighter. They're more of just like that glow effect, kind of like I have dewy skin. So these guys retail for $19. I really like these. I feel like I would definitely pick up one of these guys in your favorite shade out of everything in this collection, also because it literally looks like a Mochi. The next thing that I thought was so cute in this collection, you guys, are the cheeky stamps. Now, I'm pretty sure, so you can actually use this as a regular kind of cream blush, but in all of the photos I'm seeing, it has a sponge applicator that is in the shape of a heart. So it's just being placed like on the face like that, and I want to do that. So let me show you guys the colors first. So we have this one, which is called Feisty. I want to show you how it opens up. It opens up like this, kind of like the eyeshadows, and then you peel this off, and it has an applicator. So you twist this at the top, and then it pops out, and it's in the shape of a heart. So you push it down. Ooh, and it just did the whole thing. Okay, ready? I'm scared. I think I screwed it up. It doesn't stamp like it looks like it's stamped in the photo. Meh. Let's try this side. A little better. I'm gonna look like a crazy lady. So the next one is Bossy. Ready, you guys? We're just gonna do them all like this. That one's cute. So then this next one is called Saucy. That's saucy. This is actually a really pretty color too. I don't know about using this as an applicator. So it actually blends out really nicely. You guys can kind of see that it tinted my hand a little bit. So it's not as pigmented as they look like on my cheeks right now, which is a good thing for a cream blush. And the last and final color is called Koi. Smells like something burning, you guys. Let's put this one in the middle. So those are all of the cheeky stamp blushes that we got on my face. These retail for $24. And honestly, if they come out with more of these, but like a different type of thing, like if they come out with like a foundation in the shape of a star, or like a lip that's really small in the shape of like something, I think that would be so cool, because I want more of these. I know that they're just blush, like you're not actually supposed to like really put the hearts on, but like they're so cute. Okay guys, the last part of this whole collection are the lippies. They're called the Cushy Vibe. There's 3 shades in this. They retail for $18. They consider them full pigment lip stains. So we have 3 colors. This first one is Satin Sheets, which is the red one. Cashmere, which is the purpley pink one. And then we have Silk Robe, which is the lightest one that I have. I'm gonna put on Silk Robe. These actually feel really nice. So you guys, these lip colors actually come in 6 different colors. I don't know what the other 4 shades are because I only have 3 of them, but they have like a different texture. It's very like velvety. Like, I don't even know how to describe this. I'm gonna wipe it off my hand and I'm gonna see if they actually did stain. Oh, yes they did. Oh, yes they did. Oh boy. Okay guys, so those are the colors. This first one right here is actually the red one. This is the deep purple one, and this is the one that I actually have on my lips. So the one that's on my lips doesn't stain as much as the other 2. That's actually a pretty color. I kind of like that. I kind of like that. guys, so that is everything that I have from this new brand called Kaja. I'm actually really impressed by just the creativity behind a lot of these products, and I'll be really honest with you guys, I do not like stains, I do not like cream blushes, and I do not like squishy highlighters, but from this brand I'm actually really impressed by all of them. Like, I think that it's so cute that these actually have like a sponge applicator, so I can like put a little heart on my face as like a stamp, and it blended really nicely. And then for the lip stains, the lip stain is actually a super pretty color, and I like the texture of the lip itself, so I don't see why you wouldn't be able to just use it as a lip on its own as well. The Mochi Glow is so freaking cute, and I love that it's more of like a glow, and it's not like a highlight, like an in-your-face highlight. It's more meant to be like this very dewy glow, almost like I just sprayed myself with like a setting spray, not necessarily like a highlighter. I think this brand is really cute. I'm excited to see what else they come out with besides what they've already come out with. If you guys are a very minimal but fun makeup type of person, I feel like this is the perfect brand for you. You will love it. It's super K-beauty, super innovative, and I enjoyed playing around with it. I think that they have some really cute stuff. And yeah, that's all I gotta say, you guys. If you have any questions about the collection that I hopefully can answer for you, please comment down below in the comments. But that's all I have for today's video. Me and my cute little heart face are gonna go eat some food. As always, make sure to subscribe to me right here, and check out all of my other videos right here on the side. If you guys pick up this collection, or maybe you've tried it before, please let me know in the comments below too. I want to hear your thoughts on it. But thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.